movie called Pizza Boy back in the day with Patrick Dempsey, and you know the dude on Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, this was when he was a lot young. He was like a teenager when he made this movie.
Okay.
And I was in like elementary school. Like I was young. I was like 8, 9 years old, maybe 10. And I remember that movie coming out, and I couldn't understand like, yeah, why are they people paying him to have sex? And he's just a pizza delivery guy. But the real guy who was doing that got sick, and so he had to take the route of the driver who got sick. The driver who got sick was delivering to like Calabasas, like all the nice parts of California. And but he was a pretty boy too, though. You know what I mean? He had abs, he was tall. Yeah, he was the man. You know what I mean? Like all the women wanted him. And the men, yeah, male clients. But Patrick Dempsey didn't sleep with the guy because thank God he wasn't his type, so it worked out. But he got paid so much in one night, it was ridiculous. So he's like, you know what? Let me get in shape. Let me go to the gym. Because yeah, you start to get addicted to it. It's like, wow, these people really want to sleep with me because of you know, they're lonely or husband ain't acting right or the dog shit on the cart, whatever the situation may be. That's what they want. And this is just a pizza delivery. It had nothing to do with massage therapy. And it's called Pizza Boy. Old school movie.
Oh wow.
And they don't show like people getting it in. They just show like, you know, horny people. They want to have, you know, they order this pizza and it's not really a pizza. But he was actually delivering pizzas and they're like, what the hell is it? I called for
pizza, not
right,
pizza.
right. And I'm like, dang, this movie is so old.
That is funny.
Because Patty Dempsey got to be in his 50s, so then, maybe, gotta be.
Yeah, he's gotta be.
Because he was like 18, 19 when he did that movie, maybe 20. But I'm like, man, this movie's still pretty good. I mean, it's stupid as hell, but you get the gist of it. It's like, oh, okay. This has been going on for a while.
Yeah.
And remember, all those, like, they're super pretty, super bored too, though. You know what I mean? Their husbands are out there cheating and flying. They have all the money in the world. You really think he come home and even know that?
Right.
They're cheating. So they're thinking, why not do the same thing? I'm pretty sure Melania and the Secret Service know they're doing something. You gotta get in where you can. Because once you get out of the White House, I think they do protect her to a certain point. But if she's not going to be married to him, I think she might be on her own after that.
Yeah, I think so.
So you better get in good with some of them. But in service you all your life. If she's smart, I mean, I would. I'm not saying I'm a man whore. I'm just someone who has a healthy sexual appetite, basically. And I do.
I feel like we all do, or at least we all should. Some people shut it down
Mm-hmm.
and deny it, or feel ashamed of it, or something. It's cool.
That's correct. That is correct.
Especially women, because of society.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you can't believe that. Like, yeah, okay.
I'm like, use your power. You hear what Megan Stallion had to say about it. She don't give a fuck. You're like, no, I'm going to get mine by all means necessary. And that's right. That's how you got to carry it. And people, there's so many people that don't like Megan Stallion. I'm like, how? Some people don't like Cardi B. Like, how? Oh, they're empowering women. Like, how do you not like, I don't know. Or even Lizzo. Remember when Lizzo was coming up? Remember? Oh, why she gotta wear this? Why she a big girl? She should be wearing that before.
Oh, yeah.
She is not ashamed of her body. You know what I mean? But you are. You ain't gonna go out and do what she do. That's why she's popular. Because people feel like, hey, if she can do it, I can do it. It empowers me. I like Lizzo.
I like Cardi because she's honest and that's where she comes from. I like Lizzo, but I feel like she grew up differently. And I feel like she's trying to be someone she's not.
I agree.
I feel like you're pushing it too much, like the thing she was, you don't have to do this. Like.
Yeah, she actually had a good life.
Exactly. It's not like this is who you are. It's not like you have to do this and be this ratchet and nasty.
No, she doesn't.
I don't care about her body type, so that's not what offends me. It's just just you trying to be trashy. And it's like, girl, it's not you. Like, just chill.
Yeah.
Everyone just be themselves. Like, it's okay.
Well, I think she does it mostly because to sell albums, you kind of almost have to be ratchet or because it sells. All these drama shows and what? You watch Don't Be Tardy with Kim Zolciak and her family.
I've heard of this already.
It does pretty. This is pretty good, only because it is kind of good. Like they actually do things that aren't regular white folk stuff. You know what I mean? You can tell like Kim is still hooked. You know, Kim is Kim, but she still got a ghetto side to her as well, and that's what Bravo likes. You know what I mean? Like all the children on Bravo are all ghetto. It's all ratchet, beat them up, slap them up, because it makes so much money. It makes
Absolutely.
man.
People like that.
That's what sells that whole fucking show. And the husband, Corey, he's cool as shit. Like, he don't want no drama. He's just there, just for the ride. Just a good husband. He's like a nice guy, you know what I mean? He's, yeah.
We need more of those.
Yeah, he's a really, really good guy. Like, damn, yeah. Yeah, you crazy. And she is. She's, you know, she's been on Housewives shows for, you know, since the beginning. The Housewives of ATL.
Yes.
She's the only black girl, but she hood. She don't back down from none of them either. She's like, she don't give a fuck if you Nene, Kim, not Kim, but Candy. She let you have it.
Wow.
And that's why people like her and respect her, because yeah, she like it. Just because I'm white, you gonna let me, or I'm gonna let you walk all over me? Ain't happening.
I like those.
Hold the sheets and turn right on over. Take your time.
I try to do for those clients that take the whole damn sheet with me. I hate when people do that.
No, you're a fast turner. Well, see, that's why when I'm on the table or here, I brace again so the sheet doesn't.
So the whole thing.
Right, and then I just hold here and then it won't go with you. But if you're like away from the table and you're holding here, it's gonna go. Yeah. It'll stick to the bodies. I'll use that for eye cover for you. When I was afraid. Sorry. It smells like food.
I can't hear us and it's not like I was making a burger or eggs or something. It's just like, what is happening?
Burger and eggs.
I had to put on some of my diffuser. I was just like, oh my god. All my clients in there smell like eggs or something.
Nothing. It just smells good. I'm just hungry. I haven't had breakfast.
You said what?
I haven't had breakfast. This actually smells pretty good. It's like Mexican food or something. It smells good.
There's a little cafe downstairs. She just pretty good food.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I told your sister last time, because she parked on that front side. I was like, I didn't know they had a cafeteria. Or a cafe.
Supposedly there's a nice little Christmas tree in the lobby too. I was like, oh, I have to clean it so I don't go to the one. Yeah, I think it's Damon who told me. Go check it out. I was like, let me if I have to go to another floor. No,
It's going to be a little warm. It's coming. Candlelights, they would be burning hot. Because to pour candle wax, it has to be hot. You know what I mean? Because unless it's going to dry again. And it burned. I've had my little experience with some candle wax before. And I didn't like it.
No.
But the girl I was with, she loved it. Like,
yeah.
Crystal, I think she just loved paint. She's one of those sadists and masochist people where she didn't mind being whipped. She didn't mind, like, and whip black.
Oh,
For me, it's just a whipping thing.
There's a little too. Honestly, I would do it too. I wouldn't want it done to me, but I would definitely do it. But I would only do it to like a white guy though.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Right, I do it, but I don't want to get it done. You know? No, thank you.
Like some of my black men I know putting their hands behind your back to do like the scapula always be like one guy said something to me, he was like, you trying to trigger me. I was like, no, bro. I need to get behind your shoulder blade.
Trigger me.
No, sir. No, sir.
Speaking of trigger, Janae Echo,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why Big Sean just don't marry her. I'm like, what the hell's wrong with you? I've been dating like 5 years.
I know.
She's actually a great, like, yo, I don't think she cheats or nothing. I don't never see her in no drama.
No.
Nigga,
No drama. She got her nose straight. She's gorgeous.
Hmm?
She's talented.
Talented,
Like,
yeah.
what is the problem?
Trying to figure it out.
And she also told me to stay around if that's what's going to be the case.
What's that?
So she also doesn't need to let this man let her way if that's going to be the case.
Right. It's like maybe she was brainwashed with him. And you know how some people, you know, you love who you love, right? I get it. But she's so much greater. I'm so sorry. I forgot the movie you posted for you. Which one movie you posted to? I'm sorry. Okay. I know she knows her worth. She obviously does. I mean, she wouldn't be this far if she didn't. But I think it's always that one person or two people that you date in your lifetime that you would almost do anything for, no matter what. I think she's caught into that. And we all have had that.